Do you know what this is based on the puzzle pieces? Looks like it's red, some tires. Shout out what you think it is. All right, let's get started. Ooh, a dog. Let's start with that. It looks like there's this, almost like a ladder. Do you see anything else that has a ladder on it? Yep, this one. I don't think it's quite that. Oh, here's another one. All right, looks like we have a long ladder and it's red. What could this be? Let's find this other end piece. Maybe this one, no. This one? No. What about this? There we go. Ooh, I see some sky. Let's try to find the pieces with the sky in them. Can you point to some sky pieces? That's right, here's one. Does it go there? No. What about here? There it goes. Oh, here's another sky piece. Oh, and it looks like it's a corner piece, so it wouldn't go there, it would go over here. And then I see some smoke and a little piece of yellow. What do you think that could be? Do you see a piece with some smoke and some blue and some yellow? That's right, this piece. Oh no, there's a fire! Which makes this what? All right, let's keep going. I think this is a window, so we have to find a piece with more windows on it. Do you see any? That's right, this is it, and it's a corner piece. Oh, and look at all the wheels are left. All right, so we have our two corners. Does it go here? No, no. There we go. And that means this corner goes over here. Ooh, two pieces left and with wheels on them. They go like that? No. Like this? Oh, there they go. Which means if we just put it right up, it's a fire truck. Fire trucks help put out fires.